Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on Expo. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And right now gold is trading at 1863. This is the current market price of gold here. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you are in massive profit right now, because we mainly talked about three important support levels: 1850 to 51. Then we talked about 1840 to 43, and we talked about 1834 and 1834 to 37-38 level. And as per our expectation and hope, market came down to this first support and market gave a good bounce. We have made a profit of almost 100 to 120 pips. So my dear friend, if you are in a good profit right now, if you are happy with the profit right now, you can exit from the trade, or at least I'll suggest you to book half of your profit. Yes, you can also book half, or if you're happy like me, you can also book complete profit as well, because 100 pips to 120 pips is not a matter of joke. So overall, the levels are still very much intact with the market. If you are in a buy, well and good, you can book profit, or you can be on the trade with half of the trade. Okay, but in case by the end of the day, or as the day proceeds, okay, if you see market in uptrend again, yes, things are about to get complicated. Listen to me carefully. You may see some kind of resistance. You may see some kind of resistance around 1865, 1870 level. Around this level, you may see some sort of resistance. But personally, I'll suggest you not to trust those levels, because my dear friends, keep in mind, see, you should focus on quality. Okay, you should focus on quality. You don't need to trade. You don't need to trade 5 or 6 times a day. One single trade should be good enough. Okay, so see, right now the trade is going good. Okay, so if you see that after a couple of hours market is going up and reversing from 1860-75 level, you don't need to trade. If you want to take trade, if you have got considerable experience in the market, that's your personal decision. But personally, I'll suggest you, especially beginners, new traders, that you should be avoiding taking trades around this level. If you see, or if you find market reversing from the 50 moving average, or around 1875, to 1885, around this level, if you find market reversing with proper risk management, you can take a sell position as well. Why? Because see, overall we cannot deny the fact that market is forming lower highs in the market, or in simple words, market is unable to cross the previous highs. And we have also seen the 50 moving average is also acting as the dynamic resistance in the market overall. So we can hope that the 50 moving average will be providing the resistance to the market again. So if we see market reversing from the 50 moving average, or from the area of 50 moving average, we can take a sell position again. But keep in mind, my dear friends, that the dynamic support resistance are weaker, in comparison to the static support resistance. So as a result, you must be careful and you should follow proper risk management as well, because after all, we all know that these levels are not permanent. So it's our responsibility to protect our hard-earned money, our capital. Never forget, your capital is the weapon. So please protect it. So if market goes up and reverses from the 1875, 1885 level, as of now, you can take a sell position. But if we see sudden bullishness in the market, then obviously around 1900 level, we can expect some sort of selling again. If market breaks this level, I think that the next big resistance or reliable resistance will be around 1900 to 1905 level. Around this level you can expect selling, or around this level you can expect some selling pressure. So these two are the resistances for the day, or selling opportunities for us. Okay, one support is gone. So if market comes and reverses from 1843 level or 1840 level, the line I drew yesterday, okay, you can take a buy position also. If by the evening, okay, if you see the market is breaking the support this time and reversing from 1840-43 level, you can take a buy. But ultimately, I'll say that the strongest support on the chart of gold is around 1834 to 38 only. Okay, so this will be the best buy if we find market bouncing from the level. Yes, confirmation is always important. Okay, so hopefully I've understood. Bye, dear friends. The workshop is back again. So this will be the last workshop I'll be conducting for the next 2 months. For the next 2 months, there will be no workshop. So if you really want to learn and earn money, okay, if you really are looking for some knowledge, okay, then you can sign up for the world's most affordable workshop. Okay. So you'll find all the details. Okay, the link is in the description. My website. Okay, probably you know. Okay, I have mentioned everything. Okay, whatever you learn. Okay, what are the benefits and everything. Okay, after the process, you can mail me at itsme@avilashhazarika.com. Okay, so please visit the link if you're interested in learning. Okay, bye bye. Take care.